Want to spread the Walmart love and share those sweet perks? Let's unlock the secret to adding someone to your Walmart account so they can enjoy the benefits too. Alright, first things first. Grab your phone or hop onto your computer and head over to the Walmart website or open your Walmart app. Make sure you're logged into your own Walmart account. Now navigate to your account settings. Usually, you can find this by clicking on your account icon or name. Then, look for something like Walmart membership, account details, or a similar option. It may be labeled membership. Once you're in your Walmart settings, you should see an option like manage sharing, share membership, or add member. It might be under family sharing or something similar, so keep an eye out. Click on that, and you'll likely be prompted to enter the name and email address of the lucky person you want to add to your membership. Make sure you double check you have the correct email. This is how they'll access their perks. After you've added their information, you'll probably need to confirm or send an invitation. The person you added will then receive an email or notification prompting them to accept the invitation to join your Walmart membership. After accepting, they can immediately begin enjoying their Walmart benefits. From free shipping to Paramount, that is pretty amazing.